Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we solve all your Apple-related issues. If you're trying to create an Apple ID and seeing the message, your Apple ID account cannot be created at this time, this video is for you. Let's dive into how to fix this problem. First, let's understand why this issue occurs. Your provided information might have some issues with the Apple database. For the solution, all you have to do is go to the Apple support site and then get a chat started, then let them know the issue. It took about 3 to 5 minutes in total to resolve, as all the info they needed was the full name and your email ID, which you want to make as Apple ID. After that, they simply said to try again, and it worked. To contact Apple support, you can use this URL, https:/getsupport.apple.com/topics. The link is also available in the description box. Then select Other Apple ID Topics. After that, select Creating an Apple ID. Then click on Continue. Now you see a Contact section. Under the Contact section, you can see a Chat option. Click on Chat option, then let them know the issue. That's it. As you can see, the solution to this problem is pretty straightforward. We hope this helps you successfully create an Apple ID. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.